Today, caution was thrown in the wind. Thrown in the wind, I say. Ole, 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 ole. Very hot.
So it's hot today.
Hot, too hot. Hot, hot, hot. I love it. This is next level. So it's last day vibes. As you can see, we're both fucking knackered, but we want to make the best of.
My eyes are so puffy.
We want to make the best of the last day, so yeah, we'll make the most of it.
We're making plans.
Gonna go have brekkie now.
Brekkie.
Yay!
Brekkie, brekkie.
Sunny day for the last day. Yay! See how the water looks?
Fabulous.
Fabulous. Fabulous. So fabulous. And the pool water is warm. And the ocean water is warmer. So when you want to cool off, then you go into the pool actually. There's the boat. Coming to fetch some peeps. We're going to be on that at 12. But yeah, otherwise, life is good. Very hot.
Yeah.
We need to find some shelter, sweetie, where we can lay. That's a bag. Falling on me. Oh, there we go.
Where?
It's currently saying pool and sea is the same at 29 degrees. Yeah. That's how humid it is here. It's always just missed up from the aircon inside versus how hot it is outside. It's a little smoking spot. Everything is high pressured, so no bugs or hookers in anywhere. Yeah, I mean, you'd expect to see more spiders. You haven't.
Oh yeah.
Yep. This is us. For one last full day. This is us. Oh, it's hot today. Very hot. Sad to go. Oh, it's beautiful, yeah. So flat today. Having an inchy while we wait for the boat.
Taking my eyes off already. So it's hot today. Day today. Sun is shining. Sun is shining. Weather is sweet here.
Yeah.
Weather is easy.
Sunblock? Yes.
Check.
Those are the monkeys that you're hearing barking in the background.
Sounds like a bunch of dogs.
Fishies.
And you? Have a nice swim? Nice. Good job.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
My side's so much scarier than yours.
Oh shit, your trip sucks. You should come over here, it's way better.
Because I got high, because I got high, because I got high.
So our last day, we had absolutely clear skies, hot. Tide has receded all the way so that we can walk to that little island over there. Yeah, got a bit of heat stroke, man.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's hot.
Leave it all day on the last day before we have to go back.
Hey,
Perfect.
true story. Oh.
But it's nice.
So we're
It's
just
making
gonna,
us want to come back.
yeah, Dave.
Most days.
We just want to take
Can we come back this year still?
a little walk over to the island there.
Look at that. We're walking to the islands. The ocean is usually here. Babes, how nice is this? It's beautiful, eh? Look at this. Yeah. For you alone.
The sea's too hot.
Yeah, ne?
I'm gonna walk this far to get into the water.
Hello's laugh, man. Beautiful, eh?
Stunning.
Wow.
We're about halfway to the island. That's where we are. Oh yeah. Still busy with our trek. About 10 minutes in. Yep.
Yep.
Oh, it's muddy here.
Yeah, there's a bit of a move.
There's a breeze going as well. Which is
Lovely.
lovely.
So nice.
Very, very nice.
Very nice.
Look how burnt you are, oh my word.
Loving it.
Jeez, I'm afraid.
I'm taking something back with me.
Today, caution was thrown in the wind. Thrown in the wind, I say. Anyway, almost there.
Hey? Okay.
Nice. Let's walk that side a bit. We walk that side a bit. I know.
Beautiful.
Epic pose time.
Beautiful.
Waiting for our boat back to the resort. Our final night. And on Long Krabi. So pretty. Oh. Heat is not for the faint-hearted, that's for sure. I love the heat. This is next level. Oh.
right there.
Nice sunset little swim we're gonna have.
Yep,
Then we're gonna get in the pool to just freshen up a bit.
yep.
Loving it. Probably a crab. Water things in the water. No, just having a dip. Having a dip.
I'm taking a tea, what's that? Something good.
Something that He's good.
No. Yeah, sharp, like in the beach. No.
Nice.
Remind me. Cat
Soja.
I want to see that shit on movies, man. In movies, man. Look at that. Look at that sunset. Ah, way perfect. Warmer than the shower.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Come take a picture.
I'm going. You coming? Come. Hey? Nice?
Very,
Nice.
very nice.
Last night in Thailand.
Yeah, it's very sad, but the sweet.
Beautiful place.
So pretty. Sunset's beautiful.
Look at that. Krabi shovel.
What is the last thing on our list before we go back home? We've been here for 10 days now.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the vibes. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Life Better Than It Was.